Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I need to tell you guys something really interesting, and I'm gonna pay him back. I'm gonna pay him back. As you can tell in the title, I'm gonna do it. I can't believe what he did to me. I can't believe why he did it. I don't know why he would do that anyway. Why would he start it off anyway? So guys, I'm gonna show you what Jayden did. Jayden went here, and I made a video here. This was live streaming. I changed the name, I changed the title, and he made my thing like this. Look like this. I'm trying to change it back. I'm gonna get him back for what he did. I can't believe what he did. He put the picture like this instead of like these 3 live streams. I changed the title, but he put I'm a big D word, and I'm just so done with him. So guys, this is why Jayden is a hacker. Jayden is a big hacker. He's always hacking. He's like Isaac. He's just like Isaac. So guys, this is all I had to announce, and I'm gonna be doing more Roblox videos. If I don't get hacked again. But speaking of Roblox, let's see if he hacked me or not, cause I'm just so done. I don't know why he keeps doing this. So I'm gonna search up Roblox. I hope it's. Of course he did this. Yeah, I know. This is what he does. It kind of looks cool, but at the same time, I'm kind of mad that he actually did this. He also made a merch, so I can't get mad at him. But I'm mad at him for doing that to my YouTube. So, yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and wish me luck to not get hacked again. Stay safe out there. Peace, guys.